Hey, what's up guys? Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully you guys are doing great. Today in this video I will show how to apply any photo on any folder. Okay, as you see on my desktop screen, it seems like these photos are aligned horizontally on my desktop, but in fact these all are folders. If I double click on any folder, you can see there are files inside the folder. Double click here, we can see the files inside. So these are folder. I have applied photos on these folders. How did I do that? I will show you now. I will apply this image onto this folder, but at first we need to convert this image into BMP file. If we see the properties of this image, we can see this is JPG format. We need to convert to BMP format. Okay, whatever format you have, JPG, PNG, TIFF, all format have to be converted to BMP format to be applied on folders. Okay, you can find many converting software online, but here I will use Paint software. So at first open with Paint, zoom out. Okay, we don't need full size of this photo, so we need to crop. Try to crop the image keeping the aspect ratio square. I mean width and height same ratio. Okay, now crop and save this file. Save as, you can save from here BMP picture, or you can save from here. Just rename this, let's say final, and save as type. You need to select 24-bit bitmap BMP. Okay, and save. And now we don't need Paint anymore, so we have saved this final. Okay, now select this folder and right click, properties, go to customize, and here change icon. As you see folder icon here, click on change icon. You have many default icon here. If you would like to pick any of these icon, just click here and press OK, and if you press apply, you will see the folder icon is changed. But since we want to apply our image, click change icon, go to browse and find the location of the image, select all files, find the location. This is the BMP file, right? Okay, click here and open. You see the image is here. Now press OK and now apply. So we have applied the photo onto the folder. Press OK. Remember, if you rename this folder, this picture will go away, or if you delete this picture, the photo from here will go away. So you can keep this picture into this folder, this one also into this folder. Okay, now if you want to go back to previous icon like this one, what we need to do? Just select this folder, properties, go to customize, change icon, and select any of these icon. Okay, let's say select this one and press OK and apply. So now your previous icon is back. So guys, if you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video, and of course subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.